Hi, it's Pina from Fashion Justice. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome to my channel for the first time. I love to post videos on beauty and fashion, so I do hope you check out my Instagram account as well, Lawyer Pina 147, for some daily inspiration. Now let's get to this week's video. This week's video is, I'd call it maybe a bit of a review of one product that I picked up, which I absolutely love. Now, it is the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. So this product claims to create a superstar youth glow, which means it is perfect for all those Instagram selfies. And of course, you want to look like you have a fresh, beautiful, natural looking filter every single day. Now, this product, I'm not big on first impression reviews when it comes to products. I think that you need to be using a product for a period of time in order to be able to familiarize yourself with the product. So I've been using this product for the last month and a half. I initially picked up a sample, and it comes in different colors, so you need a color that actually matches your natural skin tone. This is what the product looks like, and this is my shade, so you need to get one that works for you. You need to shake this product before you apply it. Now, it comes in the standard rose gold cover that is such a trademark of Charlotte's. And Charlotte, as you know, is a makeup artist to all the celebrities. So she's all about the red carpet dewy glow, and that is why this is such a Charlotte product. If you are looking for that J-Lo glow, this is absolutely the product for you. If you want more coverage, I'm going to show you how you can do that as well and incorporate this with your regular makeup routine. So let's get started and let me show you how it works. So once you shake it, and this is what it looks like. So it comes, the product comes out on this stick. And so what you do is you can either apply this to your face directly, but in order to avoid some of the bacteria, maybe the best thing to do is apply it to the back of your hands, which is what I do, and then you apply it to your face. So I washed my face. I did not remove my eye makeup because it is really difficult for me to get rid of it. You will need to check out my video from a couple of, maybe about a month ago, on how to wear eyeliner so that it stays on all day. That's my last video from a while ago. So I just applied the product and then I buffed it in with a foundation brush. And this is what it looks like. I mean, I'm going to tell you, it actually gives you can also obviously build the product up, wear as little or as much as you want, but it does give you certainly a very, very big glow. So if you want to just wear this in the summer or, you're going to the gym, it's a very lightweight look. It doesn't give you a lot of coverage, but it gives you quite a glow. So this is a great way to wear it just as on its own. And then once you have it on, I'm going to show you, I'm going to mix it with my foundation, and then you can see it's going to have a little more coverage. And right now I don't have a lot of coverage, but I mean, it does give you, I have to tell you, it does give you quite a glow, and I'm not sure you can see it all on the camera, but trust me, it glows. Now, the second way to wear it is to mix it with your foundation, so I'm going to buff that into my skin and show you what that looks like. Now, I don't know if you can actually see this very clearly. Now, do you notice the difference without the mixing of the foundation? I have two foundations that I mix. One is very full coverage because I kind of like to cover my deep pores, but you can see it gives you much more of a unified look, and it does give you a lot of coverage. But at the same time, it still gives you a bit of that dewy complexion. So it does, when you mix it with your foundation, it does still give you that Instagram filtered look that we are all crazy about. So as you can see, I hope you can see it, but you've got to trust me because I've been wearing this for a month and a half, and so trust me when I tell you it does give you quite a dewy finish. But at the same time, it's great if you mix it with your foundation that you use every day. It just gives you that extra oomph. The third way you can use this product is once you've got your makeup done, which is your foundation, you can apply this over your it could be over your foundation, and this is like your final touch before you set it with your primer, your powder, sorry. So this could be used as just the final base. Now the last way to use this is as a highlighter. So I have put it in the areas where you want your skin highlighted, and it works great, as you can see, as a highlighter as well. So that's the fourth way that you can use it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope that you give this product a try. Now, what I recommend, and the easiest way to test products, is pick this up for free. Get a sample from Nordstrom's or any other Saks. Or even, the good news is that Charlotte is going to be available at Sephora. And so Sephora is obviously known for free samples. So definitely pick it up. Try it out in the different ways that I've mentioned, and then play with it and see if it's a product that you like. Again, if you're looking for something dewy and glowy, I think you are absolutely going to love this product. So do check it out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a 2 thumbs up. I will see you here next week for more fabulous tips and tricks on how to be absolutely your most fabulous self every single day. Mwah. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous week, everybody.